tricked into buying the wrong insurance policy? That's exactly what happened with one of our customers. He was missold an insurance policy and struggled to get his money back. He approached us for help. Our experts carefully analyzed the case and guided him through the recovery process. With our assistance, he successfully reclaimed his money.
Hello, I would like to share my experience with a company called Insurance Samadhan, which helps you in resolving your issues with any insurance company which has cheated you, which has done a mis-selling or inappropriate selling or selling by false promises, the policies, all claim related issues. Or this Insurance Samadhan helps you out in all kinds of matters related to insurance companies. So I was cheated by one insurance company, the name which I will not take obviously. The agent of that company, the authorized agent, he sold me some policies with the promises that first of all, let me tell you, I was an old holder of their policies earlier, which I had kind of surrendered. So he told me that on the pretext of those old policies, you are due for some held up commission which you were supposed to get or you didn't get, because the service provider of your service manager of that policies did not associate with you at any point of time. So his commission has been confiscated and it is due for you. You are the rightful owner of that commission. So if you buy some more policies, that commission will be delivered to you. And these new policies, I promise you, will be returned out later on. Within 3 to 6 months, I will get them returned also, and that commission also you will get. So it was quite, hypnotizing kind of thing, and we just got those policies, half on my name and half on my wife's name. Later on, he kept on lingering. Okay, it's about to come, your commission is about to come, and when we had enough, we contacted insurance company directly to their office. On listening this case, they said there is no such provision of old commission being given to the new client, or the same client on getting new policy. There is no such provision as such of stuck up commission. So then we gave a written complaint, and they then followed by mails to their support team. Then even I went up to CEO of that company. My complaint was about the cheating done by agent, and their answer was always that you did video KYC, you were given free look on period, our procedure was right, and they never bothered to ask the agent that whether you had given false promises or not. Their replies were never mentioning the agent. They were just focusing on procedures, which of course were right. So then somehow I came to know the company called Insurance Samadhan. They help you out in resolving the cases with any insurance company. So I registered with them. They wrote mails to the insurance company, which were very highly technically legal mails. They found lacunas in their procedures also. Like the policy which was on my wife's name, they are supposed to carry out the income proof of the housewife before issuing the policy above 1 lakh. So they were found lacking on that. They were on back foot. They wrote them about her status being housewife and how could you issue. So they caught them on wrong foot on many occasions. But they never called that agent, never investigated him, just kept on writing that our procedure was right. So Insurance Samadhan drafted a complaint to be submitted to Insurance Ombudsman. They helped me in filling that particular forms which are to be submitted to Ombudsman. They even tracked the courier which I had to send, and the content of courier also they drafted and sent to me, that this is to be just printed, signed and sent. Everything they drafted. I was just supposed to sign and courier it. And even the courier they tracked, and they tracked the date on which my hearing was supposed to be there, and I got the hearing information from both sides. And on the date of hearing, just a night before that, a lawyer from Insurance Samadhan company had a talk with me for around half an hour. He explained me what I have to speak, what I have not to speak, and which point I have to emphasize, and on which point they are wrong and they are on the back foot, and you have to focus on that point and pressurize on that point. So they made me a kind of as good as a lawyer, and they dumped me with all the information and the point which I have to emphasize, which of course I learned it thoroughly, just tactfully as they had told me, explained it to the judge, the ombudsman, and it was I was surprised to know that the money which I had thought has been gone to the water. The ombudsman immediately understood the case and gave the judgment in my favor. I kind of some money I got immediately, and some was deferred as a single premium plan, which of course I'll get in after lock-in period. So anyways, the professional help given by Insurance Samadhan company was great. They are quite professional people, and the guidance throughout by drafting the letters was great, and the one in particular the night before the hearing for preparing me to speak in front of the judge was great. So I thank Insurance Samadhan company for getting me my almost, as thought by me, the almost lost money back to me. Thank you very much.
If you have been victim of insurance mis-selling, don't let it take away your peace of mind. Contact Insurance Samadhan today. We are here to help.